Hey guys, welcome to the demo tutorial of LeadSell. Now LeadSell lets you instantly put up an offer and sell it right away. You don't even need hosting. It's all done by us. Even we give you products to sell, all done for you, completely done for you. A PLR product included inside LeadSell. Now the traffic is taken care through the social media sharing. So let me show you how it works. Let's just go ahead and log in inside a LeadSell. Okay, so this is the dashboard of LeadSell. It's showing some stats like total created deals and total visitors and how many clicks on the deals have been made and what's the conversion rate and stuff like that. Let's just go ahead and create deal. Now there are two options to create deals. You can create a customized deal, or you can create a deal from scratch. So there are some deals that are ready-made full page deals that you can use. Templates are ready, you can use these, but let's just go ahead and select a create deal and create a deal from scratch. So in this section there are formats and layouts from like what you want the deal to look like. Let's just say I want the video to be on the left side and stuff like that, and share section right here, and then header image right up. Let's just go ahead and proceed with this. Let's just add some information that this is the deal data. You don't have to be technical to know this stuff. This is simple basic stuff. You need to add an image as a header. So let's just add some image. I have a header image right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. And the next step is I'm just gonna go ahead and add a video. So I have a video embed code right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and paste this video embed code right here, and for the background image I'm just gonna go ahead and use a color. Let's just keep it light gray, and this is where you put your affiliate link of your buy button. So I don't want to show my affiliate link right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a website right here. So this is my website, and now this is the deal price. You can view the deal at any point from this button right here, but let's just complete this form and see how it looks. The regular deal price and the deal price. The current deal price is 34. It used to be 67. Now this is the expiration date of the deal, when the deal will end. Let's say it will end on 11th of October. And this is the buy button. It should say get access now, and it should be blue. Now I can add tabs, but I don't want to. And let's just say how it looks. Okay, so this is how the deal looks. You can share this deal right from here, and you can see how it looks. This is the regular price, and this is the deal price, and this is showing you save 49%, and this is the button that will take you to the your affiliate link. So this is the timer. Now this is all mobile friendly, so if somebody opens this on your mobile, it will show accordingly onto your mobile screen. So let's just proceed. Now this is where you can attach our done for you bonuses. These 8 bonuses included inside the LeadSell, but we are going to add more and more, a lot of bonuses into integrated inside LeadSell, and you can choose from those. Let's just go ahead and select these 3 at the moment, and I will proceed. Now there are some some information that you need to give. This is a deal name. Let's say hello deal. Okay, so this is the website in case you want to embed it on your website on your own domain. So let's just say I want to add it to bravin.com. This website name is Bravin. Okay, so how the deal should appear, it should be a pop-up model. Okay, proceed. This is just for the reference, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set the tester, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some image into it and hit proceed. Now these are some SEO settings. If you want to do those, you can, but I'm just gonna go ahead and submit it without the SEO settings. Okay, so as you can see, this is the embed code if you want to embed it onto your own website. Now this is the link that is hosted on our side. You can preview it. Okay, so this is the link that you are going to be spreading around, and this is with your affiliate link. When you click this, it will be redirected to your affiliate link, and it will make you a sale. There's a thank you page right here. You can set it as a redirect link into your PayPal or wherever you want. As a thank you page, this will contain the download links for the bonuses. As you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. So this is it. This is showing me the application, and you can download the download link to the bonuses. So this is the redirect link to when people buy from your affiliate link. So you see, it's all done for you. You can share it right from here. When you click it, you can click it and share it to different social media, and the traffic will be taken care through the social media. And this is how you can instantly put up an offer and sell it right away. So you can choose customized deals as well, the done for you templates, and there you can also edit these deals further on in the all deals section. There are the deals I've just created. Hello deal. So this is the stats on the dashboard, total created deals, total visitor, and stuff like that. So this is how it works. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you.